conversation is an opportunity to either build or damage a relationship. How you have that conversation determines what the outcome will be. So here's the truth. It's not you hearing someone that builds a relationship. It's them seeing you listen. The other person has to know that you're listening, know that you're hearing them in order for that relationship to be built and strengthened. Now, that seems pretty easy in a face-to-face conversation, but how do we do that in a more virtual world? Well, here's an idea for how to do it on video conferencing. Obviously, you still get to see a person, but there's a lot of things you're not seeing, like what they're doing with their hands or where they're multitasking. So here's what I like to do in virtual video conversations to help the other person know that I am deeply engaged with what they're saying. 2 ideas. 1, share your screen and take notes. That does a couple of things. 1, it allows them to see how you're processing what they're saying. And 2, it assures them without you even having to explain that you are paying attention. You aren't multitasking during this call. The second idea is similar. Sit back from your webcam just a little bit so that they can see your hands. Maybe hold them to the side. Pause. Think about it. Put your hands in a place where they can see them, where they know, consciously or not, that you're not typing away or multitasking on another screen. I'm sure you have lots of other ideas, but there are 2 to think about how you can show people that you're listening. Thanks for watching. Visit vitalsmarts.com/say that for more tips and resources for speaking up when it matters most.